Hello everyone. Well, we finally got rain. Where we can call it rain. Started about 9:30 last night. Off and on all night. Stopped raining about a half hour ago. Well, it's still sprinkling. You can see little pings in the puddles. But it wasn't real hard rain. Yeah, so we got a few puddles around here. Nice cloudy day. I think it's about 10 o'clock in the morning. But I'm happy because we got rain. But it is a little chilly. Nothing seriously flooded around me. I see we got a little puddling over there, but nothing in the tents. And then we have see, I was all ready for the wind and rain the last couple days. The free pile, I got it all covered the other night. Oops, that got some rain. I'll uncover all this later this afternoon. I know it's gonna dry up and get no more rain. Oh, see my fire pit? Ron ran over it the other day. He's gonna try to straighten it out. But everything looks good. A little wet, but we're good. Well, I didn't get to the pile yesterday to open it up because we had rain off and on during the day too. So that's my job today, or this morning, because it's nice and sunny, a little breezy. Morning. But we did have some people drop some stuff off, even in icky weather. I put the chair over it. Go through that, spread that out too. Yep, okay, I'm recording. I couldn't see the camera. Okay, let me get busy. enough for now. It's uncovered. Alright, now that I got it uncovered, throughout the morning I'll move things around and spread it out so it's not all clumped together. But I want to let you know I am doing this until April 1st. Then I'm going to divide it up, take it to a few different places in town to donate it all. But I want to let you know it's still going on until April 1st. I'll be here until the 15th, but that's the last 2 weeks. I've got a lot to take down, pack away. Yeah, it's an awful lot. But I've got a friend's storage unit I get to use for the summer. Oh, next video, I'll tell you my plans for the summer. Woohoo! All right, thanks for watching.